The average salary of Unreal developer is more than $14,000 per month, যা বাংলাদেশি টাকায় প্রায় 14 লক্ষ টাকা। এবং এটার জন্য আপনাকে কোনো সার্টিফিকেট ক্রিয়েট করতে হবে না। No need any kinds of educational certificate. You just need to be skilled on the way. Do you believe that the first scene of the video is not real? This video is created by the 3D creation software, and that is Unreal Engine. What is Unreal Engine? The most creative, advanced level 3D creation tools for the future. It's called Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is a complete suite of creation tools for game development, architectural and automotive, visualization, linear film and television content creation, and live event production, training and simulation, and other real-time applications. This is your freedom that anywhere you can use it. More about Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is a 3D computer graphics game engine developed by Epic Games, first showcased in 1998. Developer Epic Games, operating system Windows, Linux, and macOS. Stable release 5.1, 15 November 2022. Programming language C++ and Blueprint. What is the minimum requirement to install this software? Minimum requirements for the Windows. Operating system Windows 10, processor Intel 7th generation or equivalent, memory 16 GB or more, GPU GTX 1080 or AMD equivalent, DirectX version 12, storage 25 GB available space, additional nodes 8 GB of VRM recommended. You can search for the other operating system on Google. The main question is that, is Unreal Engine good for a job? In fact, the average salary of Unreal Engine developer is more than $14,000 per month. You don't need any educational certificate. Just you need to be skilled on the software only. It is fully dependent on you how you define the success. But my request, don't learn this software for developing game. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I will back with you with new video, inshallah.
As I look to nature's beauty, dazzled am I, knowing everything comes on you, the Lord Most High.